we've moved a lot of stuff out. Still got lots to go, but it's getting there. We'll take obviously the big workbench around there. Welders can go round. The small red cabinet I'm going to put on there as a welding table. Some of the small drawer cabinets I'll tag on the side of my big toolboxes, because I don't actually need everything that's in there, but I'll go through it all, sort that out. Yeah, just trying to take it easy getting stuff around there and sorting out where we want to put it all. It's a bit mind-boggling, to be honest with you, because there's so much in here, but get the bulk of it round there and then we can start seeing the wood for the trees, as they say.
Just accumulation, isn't it, over a long period of time.
There's all loads of scrap metal down under there, but if I need to weld something or make a bracket or make a jig or something, but that can all go in a pot somewhere, you know, and get tucked away under here. Or
so is the plan for the workshop to get more organised, thin out, or what's your
thin out, yeah, and get a lot more organised, yeah. Yeah, it's a bit of a suck it and see, because it's all right sitting there with a bit of paper trying to say, oh well, I'll put that there, I'll put that there, I'll put that there, but until it becomes reality, you can't really see it, you know.
Yeah.
But I think where we've got the folder and the milling machine and the lathe will work, because like we were saying, it's pretty much wasted space down there.
Well, having that separation in there between cars and bikes is going to help, I think, as well.
Yeah. Need to put that on wheels and that on wheels, and then whenever we want to do any filming we can just roll it out into the middle of the workshop or wherever. That will help a lot.
So we moved in here, what, nearly 10 years ago, I think. So why didn't you get this place as you wanted it when you first moved in?
It was all a bit of a panic and a rush, wasn't it? It all got a bit out of hand. But it's had been in different configurations, because we had all the Harley XAs at the back at one point, didn't we? With the racking going that way, dividing it.
That's true.
Yeah, what you think is a good idea one day could turn out to be a very crap idea the next day, you know.
I guess it's only once you start working in it.
Yeah, but that's the whole idea of putting everything pretty much on wheels, so you can shunt it all around, you know, work out, okay, that isn't working, we need to move the toolbox 10 foot that way, or you know. But I think the setup where the bikes are will work, because there's enough room there just to pull it out and work on it and then push it back in, you know. Got a nice big toolbox there to store all the Harley stuff in. Nice lighting.
Well, it's the same size unit as this.
Yeah, exactly the same, yeah.
But it will organise better.
Yeah,
I think it's going
and
to make
obviously we've got the ramp in there, which takes space up, but it's well needed. Because my poor old back can't handle it.
I did offer that to you 100
I
times.
know. Ta-da! Yeah, it's a bit different, isn't it?
Just a bit.
Bike ramp there. All that'll be Harley Davidson motorcycle tools, Harley parts. Possibly put another bike ramp there if we've got two bikes in, but they're movable, so that's not an issue. Compressor, I'm going to box in. Maybe put some shelves, bit of artwork, something above it, I don't know at the moment. But basically that'll be the bike station. I mean, that's Craig's whole Harley Davidson there, apart from the frame and forks.
Yeah.
So I know I can get a whole bike on that racking, which is generally was the idea, you know. So that's that. If you've got two on the go, you've got another one there for the same situation. And like you say, it isolates it from the rest of what you're doing, doesn't it? Yeah, I've just, all of this is on wheels, so apart from the big lumps which I've put where I think they should go, but all of this lot you can move it all wherever you like. So they're all in. I've got to paint this, paint the milling machine, paint the folder to match that. I know it sounds silly, but if I don't do it now it won't happen, so I might as well do it.
Yeah. Oh look, more lights.
Yeah, just turn them on. How do you turn them on?
And more lights.
Ta-da! Sink here. Fridge, sink, whichever way round, doesn't matter, and continue that along as put the computer there, blah 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 blah. So that'll work. Like you say, I think Stuart, like, corner that off, be better, won't it? Instead of having a sharp edge.
You're only going to smack your leg on it 100 times.
Yeah. So anyway, and then we've got all of that wall down there, and obviously up to the, basically, if we can get everything in to sort of here, and then you've got that spot. I mean, I'm guessing put the toolbox about here.
Well, you've got to think of something, you've got to be adjacent to the car where your working space.
Well, in the middle here, probably. Doesn't matter which side you put it. If you're working on that side, you still got to walk around here. So that's irrelevant. That's all I'm thinking.
Definitely welding tables, workbench towards the middle of the workshop. You think your workbench, regardless, your workbench is going to be needed for both bikes and cars, isn't it?
Pretty much, yeah. But if it's on wheels, I've got them rubber, neoprene rubber wheels we can put on them. So you just wheel it over there.
Yeah, that's true.